mean? So the twin turbo, amazing. Once this thing kicks in, you get enough air in that engine, it kicks in. Man, I'm telling you, for a 4-beater. And speaking of 4-cylinder engines, look. Yo, what's going on, everybody? It's me, your boy, coming at you live. You're looking at a 14 model. It's an older model, but the engines are pretty much the same. As you can see, the car is filthy, it's dirty. Got a bunch of snow here in Minnesota, and as you know, you cannot wash your vehicle when it's cold. You really don't want to wash your vehicle because just the simple fact that stuff freezes around the door panel here, right here, and then stuff comes off and you've got an issue. Before I go on with the video, I want to just show you this little turbo sticker, which is, I gotta clean it. It's pretty nice. I gotta clean it, but we're looking at a BMW here. This is a 2014 model. Like I said, I'm gonna pop the hood right quick and kind of show you inside. It's really dirty. I just want to let you know. I gotta turn everything off. So, but pretty much a really nice car. It's a basic model. This one, it's a 3 Series, a really basic model, but it's pretty good. It's got the twin turbo and a pretty reliable car. If you're thinking about buying this car, one thing you should realize, this car works. It's not going to let you down. The engines are pretty nice. It's pretty stable. You really don't have to worry about the transmission and the engine and the shocks and the brakes for a while. Okay, if you take care of it, it really is a good car. I had a sensor also. Before I go on, I had a sensor, fuel sensor. I put a different fuel in, and the sensor went off, and I took it in and they adjusted it. And but the engine and the transmission and this beauty is, look at this. Man, I hate snow. I love snow, but just the salt. Look what the salt does to your vehicle. I mean, literally. So if you're thinking about buying a car here up north, the X-Drive, speaking of north, the X-Drive is amazing. It works just so good in the snow. You ain't never gonna get stuck in a BMW. I guarantee you, you ain't not getting stuck in the BMW in the snow. I mean, you can always get stuck, you know what I mean? But really, if you know how to drive a car, you're not gonna get stuck. You got good tires, you know. And speaking of 4-cylinder engines, look, they're kind of loud. Okay, people keep asking me, look, is this a diesel? No, it's not a diesel. See, BMW went back to this twin cam or twin turbo engines just for the simple fact of reliability. Okay, if you remember the 1990s BMW, how the engine, the V6 engine, they were just amazing. You can go up to 300,000 miles. People still look for those cars to this day because they're so reliable. So when they went back to this engine, and the engine is nice but a little loud, okay, a little loud, and it kind of sucks that most BMWs are 4-cylinder, okay, the 5 Series, and you know, they're all 4-cylinder, turbo, of course. But I can honestly say that the engines are reliable, the transmission is reliable, the car itself is great, it looks good. You know, it could use a few extra features inside, like the Audi and stuff, but I mean, you got to pay for more. But I like the turbo. It's pretty fast. And the sport feature, when you turn the sport on, man, this thing just blows. And if you get this right kick, right moment, there's certain times where it just kicks in. You know what I mean? It just really kicks in. The turbo kicks in, and you are flying like a bullet. You know what I mean? Other times, you know, not so. It's just loud. I don't know. Maybe it just seems like that to me, but it's a good car if you're thinking about investing and buying a BMW. Do it, because the engines, transmissions are reliable. They're pretty nice cars. You can go. I think these cars will go around 300,000 miles in good condition, good maintenance. They could probably go 300,000 miles. Okay, this one's already like 70,000 miles and no issues. I don't open the hood. As you can see, I don't open the hood. Okay, I've changed the light bulb. The parking lamp. It's down there someplace. Oh, right there. That one, the little one. But that's about it. I don't even open the hood. So if you're thinking about investing in a BMW, do it. They're really nice cars. So that's all I know about it. Okay. They kick out a lot of horsepower. Kind of loud, like I said, but they're good cars. So here it is. There's a BMW that you want. I like this turbo. Okay, it's dirty. Look at the back of my vehicle. It's filthy. X-Drive, nice cars. Lots of room. They're pretty roomy. They're not just some piece of junk. Okay, they're pretty roomy, beautiful car. I mean, you can tell. I don't think this is leather, but pleather, whatever that is. It's a good car. I like it. Yep, beauty. Yeah, you walk in, it's your BMW. I like the start button. I like if you want to spin out in the snow and do a few 360s, you turn the traction off. Also eco mode, you can do eco mode, which saves a little gas, uses less horsepower, I guess. I don't really know what it does. I don't use it. I'm usually at the comfort mode. So here's where we go. We start the car. Seat belt on, please. Outside temperature 27, not too bad. So everything is nice on this car. They really did a good job on this vehicle, and no complaints here. But like I said, eco mode is okay. Oh no, we can't have that. Mine's usually on the comfort mode, but you can do eco mode, which doesn't really do much, honestly. You got this computer system, which is okay. It shows you your tire pressure. As you can see right here, everything you need to know, basically. See if there's any issue. If there is an issue, it will show here, which is nice. The tire pressure sensor went off once, but the tires were kind of low. But pretty much everything on this car is amazing. I like it. Me like it, this car. Tire pressure is good. We good. Computer, as you can see the specs here. Yeah, you get about 30 miles a gallon here, as you can see. So, a really good car, in my personal opinion. Anyway, let's switch it back. The traction off. Traction on. Sport mode. This is the comfort mode. And here is the efficiency eco mode, which is pretty much the same. And then you have the button here, the start button, off button. You have this here where it turns off to save gas, which is really useless, I think. I mean, it's okay. Holla at your boy. We'll talk to you later. Y'all take care of yourself. Watch your back. I'm still trying to come up, y'all. Whoa. Turn this off. This is good. I need this, alright? Especially when it's cold. Basic car, but nice. You got your phone. You can call people, talk to the computer and stuff. You got your cruise control. And then on this side, you have your computer for the dash. Anyway, I'll see you all later. Bye.